Hello and welcome to today's presentation by LMI Technologies. My name is Christian Benderoth and I am the Regional Development Manager for EMEA. This presentation today is about leveraging ultra-wide field of view 3D laser profiling for scanning and inspection of large objects. The challenge we see in many applications is how to scan and inspect large targets at production speed. LMI Technologies is an expert in high-precision 3D laser scanning and inspection with high speed and resolution. But nowadays we find many new applications in packaging and logistics, in automotive manufacturing and in food processing that require scanning and inspection of large target objects. In particular, companies are facing two main challenges. The first one is, how can we achieve a maximum scan coverage at a fast conveyor speeds at the highest possible resolution, and at the same time keep the integration costs low and solve the application with the fewest number of sensors possible. Our solution to these challenges is the new Gocator 2490 3D Smart Sensor. This 3D Smart Sensor is an all-in-one sensor. It is designed to scan large objects in packaging and logistics, in automotive assembly, in sawmill board optimization, food processing application, and in any other application where you need ultra-wide field of view with a scan coverage of about 0.4 up to 2 meters, and the measurement range that achieves more than 1.5 meter in the largest field of view. These excellent performance values enable you to achieve up to 2.5 millimeter in X, Y and Z resolution at conveyor speeds up to 2 meters per second. Let us take a closer look to the sensor features. The 3D sensor provides high resolution in all three dimensions, even at conveyor speeds up to 2 meters per second. With its large field of view, the smart sensor can measure package dimensions with a resolution of about 2.5 millimeter in X, Y and Z. This high resolution can be achieved even with a conveyor speed up to 2 meters per second, and this is more than twice the resolution of competing systems. Some more other important aspects of the new Gocator 2490. The Gocator 3D sensor can scan large objects at production speed. The combination of a wide field and a large measurement range will allow you to scan objects of about 1 meter by 1 meter at 800 Hz without losing any resolution. Besides these advanced technical features, the new scanner will also help to cover overall integration costs low. Like all our Gocator 3D Smart Sensors, the 2490 provides the built-in measurement tools, digital outputs and PLC communication features for easy integration. There are also no hidden costs or delays in integrating standards vision solutions that require external controller or third-party software. And additionally, the sensor offers a Z resolution of 0.06 millimeter, as well as highly accurate 3D data for more repeatable measurements, even across larger targets with a speed up to 800 Hz. LMI's customized optics offer high sensitivity for faster scanning speeds at lower laser classes. The new Gocator 2490 uses special optics and deliver high sensitivity data even on difficult surfaces for better scanning results. This reduces the exposure times for faster scanning speeds and increased resolution. We care about laser safety. Our advanced design leads to reduced laser classes. Let's talk about applications. What can we do with the new Gocator 2490? The first application I want to highlight is box volume dimensioning. Determining the dim weight is an important task in the packaging and logistic industry. Gocator 2490 can achieve this task by providing accurate volumetric measurements of large boxes. These boxes are usually transported on a conveyor with a speed of up to 2 meters per second. A single Gocator 2490 can scan and measure complete box dimensions with a 1 by 1 meter area scan and a scan rate of about 800 Hz, even at conveyor speeds up to 2 meters per second. The 3D sensor achieves a resolution of 2.5 mm in X, Y and Z, while competing systems may only reach 3 to 5 mm. Another typical application is package sizing and sorting. So packages and boxes need to reach the correct station or warehouse. In order for this to happen, a label is applied and scanned before it goes to the next station. With a Gocator 2490 single or multi-sensor setup, we can scan and measure finished boxes for correct sizing, so they can automatically be sorted and transported to the next station. Due to Gocator's smart functionality, we can ensure that each box is correctly identified when it arrives to the next station for sorting. Gocator offers also built-in timer and encoder tags and track logic. Filling inspection is another important task. Gocator 3D smart sensors can scan open boxes and create a 3D height map of the box to determine the fill volume. The integrated tools can generate a measurement of the void volume by subtracting the fill volume from the total available box volume. With the integrated communication protocol, we support Ethernet, Profinet, Modbus and others. Gocator can report results downstream to guide the repacking of content to achieve the optimal fill volume. The next application for packaging and logistics is the identification for package quality inspection. This application normally requires 2 Gocator 2490 sensors in a multi-sensor setup. The 3D sensors scan the side of each box traveling on a conveyor, providing real-time defect detection to flag damaged packages. Our built-in tools will communicate a pass or fail decision, and the damaged box will be stamped with the time and position information. Each decision tag represents an outcome that will be communicated downstream for the sorting processes. Gocator will also let your robot see palletization and depalletization. In the recent past, we saw an increase of 3D sensors being used in combination with robots. If your application requires a large field of view, a Gocator 2490 can be mounted on a robotic arm, and like in this application, it can scan loaded pallets. The sensor provides precise positional coordinates to the robot, so it can accurately lift the boxes and place them on the outbound conveyor. The 2-meter field of view covers the entire pallet size in a single scan. Robot calibration algorithms are already built in, so Gocator can communicate directly to the robot arm in real time. The sensor does not require an external controller or any additional software. Beside packaging and logistics, the Gocator 2490 can be also used for food processing applications. In food processing applications, conveyors can reach a speed of up to 2 meters per second, which makes this application another perfect fit for the large field of view of Gocator 2490. The 3D sensor scans and detects defects on cookies, bakery products or any other food item. The 3D height map also provides information about the presence or absence. For example, salami slices on a frozen pizza. Gocator 2490 provides a cost-effective solution for food applications that require a large field of view in order to measure high speed and high resolution. Wood industry. Looking at transverse board scanning. LMI sensors are used in sawmills and wood processing industries. With Gocator 2490, we provide a new solution for high-speed transverse board scanning. The 2-meter field of view allows complete scan coverage of the board in a single scan. Large field of view means less sensors required. That way, we offer a great solution and keep your system costs at a minimum. Scanning and inspection of complete automotive body frames. No problem for Gocator 2490. The large field of view can be used to scan the entire body of a car. The 3D sensor generates a surface height map of a complete frame in a single scan. With the integrated firmware, Gocator can perform a high accurate 3-dimensional measurement such as height or width, and it can also detect features locations such as rivets or bolts. So what did we learn in our 2 days presentation? Let us conclude. The Gocator 2490 3D Smart Sensor is an all-in-one solution that offers scanning, measurement and inspections for applications that require a high resolution and ultra-wide field of view. The 3D sensor offers maximum scan coverage at fast conveyor speeds, and it reduces the total system costs. This is very relevant for many industries and applications such as the packaging and logistics, automotive manufacturing, and in food processing applications. So thank you very much for your today's attention, and I hope you liked our presentation. And for more details, please visit us at www.lmi3d.com.